Good morning, friends. So in today's class, we will be studying about the limit command, which is used with the select command in SQL. So for this, I will just give you a scenario. Like you have an employee table, and in that employee table, you have the salary of the employee. Now you do not want to get the highest salary employee. You want to get the second, third, and fourth highest, or you just want to get the fourth highest, or you just want to get the third highest. So how will you do it? So there is a very important command in MySQL or SQL which is like limit, and how exactly we use it, let us learn it. So for now, at first, again, we will go ahead, we will be creating up the table which is employee salary, having three columns, one ID, name, and salary. Let me run this command, and the table has been created. Let us go ahead and insert values 1 2 3 4 5 values into this table. So again, this is good. So we have inserted 5 value in this table. Now, what do you want is you want to see the employee salary having the second maximum salary. So how will you find it? So we have already studied about something called as order by. Order by is something like which sorts the table values as per the row column. So here we say if you see up this statement till here, till order by salary, it says that give me all the records and all the columns from employee salary and sorted by the salary. Let us go ahead and run it, just this part. So you see over here that we have not uh, executed the limit part, only the selected part is executed. So we can see over here that the salary has been sorted in ascending order, but we do not want to sort it in ascending order, so we will say DESC. So again, this comes as DESC. So you see over here that the maximum salary is of Anuj. Then we have 7,000 for Ganesh. Then we have 5,000 for Vishesh. Then we have 4,000 for Alek. Now we want to fetch the second maximum salary. So how will fetch it? We will fetch it using limit. So what does limit means? Limit takes two parameter. Over here you can see that we have only given one parameter. Let us understand what it exactly means. So whenever we give just one parameter, it means that whatever rows have been taken up by this statement, it can be anything, right? This statement can be anything, and we are saying that if there are 10 record fetched, limit it to 2 records. So only the first 2 records will be shown. If we say 4, then only the first 4 records will be shown. Okay, so this is exactly the number of rows. So now you want to fetch the maximum 2 salaries. So you will just say 2, and you will be fetching up the maximum 2 salaries, right? So maximum 2 salaries, first is 10,000, second is 7,000. Now you just want to fetch the second maximum salary, not 10,000, you want to just fetch 7,000. So how will you do it? You will say 1 comma 1. Let us see what this gives to us. You see that this gives us 7,000. So what exactly this means? So limit has two parameters. Again, the first parameter is the offset and second parameter is the row count. What is offset and what is row count? To understand it, again, let us run and execute this statement just till DESC, and let me run it. So the offset means from where we need to start. So this is offset 1. This is offset 0. Just see over here. This is offset. Let me show it to you again. Let me execute it. So this is offset 0. This is offset 1. So offset is from where we start. So it says start from first offset. So offset 1 is this. This is offset 2, then 3, then 4, then so on. So offset value starts from 0 and this goes on as per the rows. And the second value defines the number of rows. So it says start from 5 and give me just one row. If we say that give me 3 rows, it will start from 5 and give you 3 rows. Let me run it. See, it starts from 5 and it gives you the second highest, third highest, and fourth highest salary. Now if you just want the salary, just mention salary. You will just get the salary. You will just get the salary. I think I've run executed the wrong statement. This one. And here you see that you just guess the salary 7,000, second highest, third highest, and fourth highest. Now you see that you just want the first, second highest salary, just again replace it to 1 and you will get the second highest salary. So there is a direct function for maximum salary. Select max salary from employee underscore salary. This by this you will get just the maximum salary, but you do not have any direct function for, see, maximum salary is 10,000, that is correct, but you do not have any function for second highest salary. So how will you fetch it? You just order it sorted by salary DESC and then limit it. So limit is something which applies a limit to the number of rows and it tells you from where to start and till where it ends. So this is again a very useful command in MySQL. So before limit was like introduced, people used to write up queries something like this. I'll just zoom in. Again, if you want to fetch up the second highest salary, so like before people used to write up a query like this when like the limit was not introduced. You see over that it does not have any limit, but still if I run it, it will give me 7,000, which is the second highest salary. And if I just like remove the maximum name part and just want the salary, if I run it, so it gives me the salary. So it has two statements. One is the inner statement. Again, this is the subquery. What it is doing at first, it is finding up the maximum salary. And then we are saying that this again, like in the second query, we are again finding up the maximum salary and saying that show us all the records, but the salary should be less than the first maximum salary, right? So it is something like this, like you are saying select star from employee underscore salary. What it says this query, this part of query which is marked between the yellow parentheses says that pick up the maximum salary between them, which is 10,000, sorry. So just mark it as 10,000, right? Now it says select the maximum salary from employee table where salary is less than 10,000. Just forget about this function for now and say select star. Select star from employee salary where salary is less than. So all the records will be picked. All the 5 records will be picked except Anuj, right? Because this has the salary 10,000 and we are saying salary less than 10,000. So this will be our new data set. And now out of this new data set, there is some problem. Where is the problem? Okay. So the problem is we are saying 1,000. It should be 10,000. I'm sorry. So that's why it was not picking up any value, because it was not having any value. So again, if I run it, so if you can see that the data set does not have it has only 5 records. It does not have the 10,000 value, right? But if I just go ahead and like select all of them, then we have the 10,001, right? And if I run this now, then the third value is not there. We have only 1, 2, 3 and 4. So again, from these values we are saying maximum salary. So from these values the maximum salary is 7,000, which is the second highest salary, right? So again, when we are using the making use of the sub queries and like multiple queries within a statement, so we should make sure that we first identify what the inner statement do and then we move on to the outer statement. So this is nothing but a subquery which we will talking more in the next class. So this brings this chapter to the close. So just before closing up this chapter, we will see one more thing, a function, an important function, which is count star. So this is something which is used to count all number of records in a table. Just say select count star from employee salary and hit up the button. It shows us 5. So this particular table has 5 records. This was an important thing. So please stay tuned. Please do like and subscribe the channel. This was Anand Goel from host-tune-perform.com. Thank you guys.